Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about habits of highly effective drivers. Most people think they understand what gig drivers do. They see a handoff, the door photo, a quick wave goodbye, but that's really 5 seconds of the job. They don't see the amount of miles you drive, or if they do, they don't really care. They don't see the traffic it took to actually get there. They don't see the restaurant delays, how the restaurant treated them, the dead zones they had to pass through in order to get back to where they were prior to getting that order, the wear and tear on their vehicle and all of the maintenance that goes into it, or the rising costs of everything that goes into being a gig worker. They don't see the self-employment taxes. They don't see how you need to adapt and shift your strategy. They don't see the risk that a driver has to take on in order to be a gig worker, being predominantly on the road, or the decision making behind every order and the dollars to mile ratio, etc. This is what is referred to as the invisibility effect. The reality that almost everything drivers do is actually completely hidden from the customer. And because customers judge only the tiniest slice of what they do, they form opinions of get a real job, why should I tip up front, it's just picking up food, and I'm not tipping until I see service. They see an employee task, not a business operation. But the truth is, gig driving is not an employee role. It's a micro business requiring structure, strategy, and discipline. And these habits are what separates drivers who burn out from drivers who consistently win in the gig economy. So in this video, we are talking about the habits of highly effective drivers, how it actually is to succeed in the gig economy, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that I'm going to be going over is very market to market and case by case. What applies to me in my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Treat every order like a business transaction, not a shift. High-earning drivers don't measure success by the hour. They evaluate everything per order. Each offer is a micro contract that either makes or loses you money, which effective drivers actually do. They set a per order floor. They have a dollars to mile ratio as their core metric. They account for dead miles. They decline unprofitable orders even during slow periods. They avoid emotional acceptance because of dead time. Reality is that hourly minimums and guaranteed earnings are a shiny trap. Hourly thinking can raise your floor, but it will lower your ceiling. It pushes drivers to take mediocre orders just to save the hour instead of waiting for profitable orders to come through. And a single good order can redeem a slow window, but only if you are not chasing hourly averages. And they are not swayed by the corporate manipulation that drivers are normally experiencing. High-level drivers don't fall for acceptance rate programs, priority access attached to acceptance rates, earn by time guarantees, or status symbols like badges, tiers, and rewards. They understand that if a program is going to cost you profit, it's not a benefit, it's a leash. And a business owner mindset is one where they ask the question, does this make me money or cost me money? And if it costs money, it's not worth it. And once you learn to evaluate all orders this way, then you quickly realize the next thing you must protect is every mile your vehicle drives. Track every mile and every expense automatically. Profitability depends on knowing your costs, and the mileage is overlooked in terms of gig work. And it matters because unlogged miles means lost deductions. Manual tracking is just not reliable in this day and age. And mileage is often the largest deduction a gig worker can really have. And that's where Mile IQ can help. It captures your trips automatically, sorts them cleanly, and produces IRS-ready mileage logs. And signing up through the Mile IQ website in my description is cheaper than subscribing obtained through the app stores due to the platform markup, such as Google Play or the App Store. Always remember, a write-off isn't free, it's still a cost. Lower your real expenses first, but tracking your miles is one part of your business. And the next habit is understanding your entire financial picture. Know your numbers, income, expenses, and taxes. Effective drivers know what they earn, what they spend, and what they owe because guessing leads to trouble. Weekly income audits, understanding profit versus payout, tracking all business expenses, and preparing for taxes year-round are key points to being in business for yourself. And that's why I recommend GigTax, a service that is built for gig workers who need their mileage, expenses, and multi-platform income documented correctly during tax season and overall through the year. Drivers don't usually fail because of effort. No. They fail because their documentation is inconsistent, incomplete, or done at the very last minute. GigTax removes that stress and helps keep your filings clean and accurate. Once your numbers are clear, the next habit is about creating consistency in how you operate on a daily basis. Build simple, repeatable systems, not daily chaos. High-performing drivers don't wake up and wing it. They build simple, controllable, and repeatable systems that make every shift more predictable, professional, and profitable. Knowing your zones, the zones that you prefer to work that have predictable traffic, reliable restaurant density, and consistent earnings. Not the app-generated hotspots that they tell you about. They're strategic areas where you operate efficiently. Keep communication simple and professional. Good communication doesn't mean constant communication. It means clarity. Short, clean messages like just picked up your order, I'm on the way. Restaurant delay, will be there soon. Hey, I just dropped off your food, hope you have an awesome day. It doesn't need to be a lot. It just needs to be professional, human, and efficient. Heck, even if it's as simple as only saying, I just dropped off your food, hope you have an awesome day, that's the bare minimum to keep good ratings high and keep your communication tight. Vehicle readiness is non-negotiable. Your vehicle is your business. That means you gotta top off before the shift. That means you gotta check your tires. That means you gotta keep the cabin organized, clean, and bug-free. That means listening for mechanical changes. How are those turns sounding? How are you sounding when you brake? And are you staying ahead of maintenance? Whether you do the work yourself or use a qualified mechanic, the goal is prevention, not reaction. And these small systems that you create for yourself eliminate stress, reduce mistakes, and keep your business running smoothly. And even great systems need updates. And that's where the final habit comes in. Audit and adapt every month with exit strategies and investment planning. The gig economy is constantly changing. Payouts shift, demand moves, costs rise, and apps evolve. The drivers who stay profitable don't just monitor the day-to-day. They audit their entire business monthly. Audit your income and expenses every month. Check the total payouts that you're earning on every app. Check the delivery miles versus your dead miles. Go over your fuel and maintenance costs. Go over your time efficiency. See what areas are really trending with new restaurants and how it's affecting your acceptance rate and your profitability. Check for patterns before they become problems or missed opportunities in some cases. Audit your future plans, your exit strategy. Even if gig work right now is working for you, it shouldn't be your only long-term plan. Gig work is naturally very feast or famine. If you keep working, you're making money. That doesn't mean you stay on that hamster wheel forever. And exit strategies may include building a savings buffer, reducing debt, developing new skills, preparing W-2s and contract transitions, preparing to go back to the W-2 world if that's what you want to do, or transition into a contract as opposed to just being an independent contractor, starting your own business, and creating stability just outside of these gig apps. Remember, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal. It's not simply the goal. And these monthly audits will turn these goals into habits instead of fantasies. Audit your investments in all forms. Gig workers can invest their income in various different ways. Maybe they start off with a high yield savings account to build up that emergency fund. Maybe they start to go into their retirement accounts like a Roth IRA or a solo 401k, depending on what you're going for. Going into index funds like the S&P 500. Maybe you want to get into real estate or start a different type of side business. Or maybe you get into certain types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP. Anything tied to your financial future belongs in a monthly review, and for drivers who invest part of their earnings into crypto, this is where Coin Tracker is going to be essential. Crypto is a category that updates constantly, generates complex taxable events, spans multiple wallets and exchanges, and is easy to misreport without automation. Coin Tracker resolves that by tracking your holdings across major exchanges, showing real-time gains and losses, identifying taxable activity, generating accurate crypto tax documents, and integrating your digital assets into a broader financial picture. It keeps the crypto portion of your financial strategy clean, and your overall monthly audit stays complete. And when your income, expenses, future plans, and investments are all clear, you can adapt faster, work smarter, and stay profitable no matter how the gig economy changes. Final thoughts. The reality is, driving for these gig apps isn't a job. It's a business you control. Most customers will never understand the invisible parts of this type of work. Most apps won't teach you how to protect your profit because they want you to do what's profitable for them. And most drivers stay stuck because they operate with W-2 employee thinking in an independent contractor world. But top tier drivers evaluate every order, protect every mile, track every dollar, build real systems, and adapt strategically. And those habits compound, and they create drivers who earn more, stress less, and stay in control. And if you want the tools that I personally recommend, check out MileIQ, GigTax, and Coin Tracker, all of which are going to be in the description. Use whatever tools that are going to support your business, but just make sure you run your gig work like it is one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, check out my website, drivenwild.com, if you'd like to learn more about some of the services and gig platforms we have talked about in the past and are offering the gig workers today. And if you would like to stay on the cutting edge of what is happening in the gig economy today and be in the know of what most people are talking about, make sure to check out our new channel, the Gone Wild Live Clips and Podcast, where we take the live streams we hold on Thursdays at 9 p.m., cut them down to more digestible clips, and have them posted there. Also, check out my Patreon for exclusive clips, full-length live stream replays, and other membership perks for self-employed individuals who want to grow and scale their business. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and